watched the previous videos and you're doing those activities with your kids, and if you are new to our channel, then a special welcome to you. I'm Dr. Jolly Gupta Jain from Neurocare, and today I'm here with a very simple, fun and useful fine motor activity which will enhance a lot of fine motor skills in your kids. And you must be thinking, why fine motor skills are so important? It is actually important for all the daily routine activities which we do, like zipping, buttoning, lacing the shoe, eating, writing, coloring. Even if you're going to open a drawer, you need a hook grasp. If you are going to open a bottle to drink water with it, you need this grasp along with in-hand manipulations. So you can see that in each and every activity you require some fine motor skills. So let's get started with our today's activity. First, the child will cut the paper on a folded line. You can also draw the line, and this activity enhances their scissor cutting skills, eye-hand coordination. You can see the bilateral integration as child is holding the paper with one hand and cutting with another. Alternatively, you can have the child to tear the paper if currently they don't have scissor cutting skills with them. It will also enhance similar skills along with pad-to-pad grip. Then comes rolling these paper strips into the beads. This activity requires a lot of concentration skills, but they are so fun to do that child will pay that attention. Are ready. Beading the bead into wire. It enhances midline crossing, stabilization, motor planning, and spatial relations. Did you see how hooked the child was while doing these activities? It requires a lot of attention span, and the child will pay such attention while doing these activities. If you think that your child doesn't have that much of concentration level or they don't pay such attention, then you will notice that after doing these activities they have a better level of attention, they have a better alertness level, and while doing these activities also they will definitely pay attention because these are so fun and exciting to do. And let us know in the comments if you need any further assistance, because an occupational therapist can definitely help your child to develop their fine motor and cognitive skills. Please let us know if you like our video by clicking the like button. Thank you.